A restaurant sells pizza for which you can choose from 7 toppings. How many different variations of pizza can the restaurant serve? So we could have all 7 toppings, we could have 6 toppings, we could have 5 toppings, we could have 1 topping, we could have no toppings. So this is actually just asking what are the number of subsets. So mathematically, it's the same as finding the number of subsets. So because there's 7 toppings, this is going to be 2 raised to the 7, which is 128. So there's 128 different variations. Part B says, what is the minimum number of toppings the restaurant must provide if it wishes to advertise that it offers over 1,000 variations of its pizzas? Well, if we start with 2 to the 8, that's equal to 256. So 8 toppings is not enough. 2 to the 9 is 512. So 9 toppings is not enough. 2 to the 10 is 1024. So we need 10 toppings to accurately say that we offer over 1,000 variations of the pizzas.